People have been asking me how do lawyers dress up before going to court for case deliberations. Now, as a recent law graduate from YouTube, I'm going to walk you through. Watch this video.
Hold up.
So here is just the headline of the case that I've been assigned to. I'm not going to discuss the details yet because it is criminal to discuss the details of a case while it is still in court.
What's going on here?
Super excited to be handling my first case as a lawyer. Wow, I can't really believe I'm doing this. This is a dream come true. You won't really understand, guys. Anyways, so this is me trying to make sure my shirt is well tucked in under the Lawyer's Code of Conduct, section 324, subsection 8. One thing you want to do as a lawyer is to make sure that there is nothing incriminating in your dress. Last week, a lawyer was sentenced to 58 years in prison for having hard drugs in his pocket without knowing. So I'm only trying to be careful so I don't fall in that kind of situation, you know? My dress is a little bit rumpled because there is like a power outage in my apartment, but you know, whatever. I know you might be wondering why I've been staring up the ceiling and probably be thinking that I'm a weirdo.
Let's have it.
Well, that's not the case, and I will explain. Jesus Christ! I pray this class is not rip off my wig, else will be criminal offense. So, this is the lawyer's wig. It symbolizes honor. Whenever you have this on, bad people will be afraid of you. Do you know what I mean? Haha. I know you'll be wondering what the gloves are meant for. Well, you only use them when you're about to handcuff a criminal. Yeah, and in this case, for example, I know I'm going to need the hand gloves 100% to handcuff the criminal, which is the CEO. You know, yeah, I'm very confident on that. So just believe in me. Lawyers are known for talking a lot, you know, going back and forth on case deliberation in court. So it is always recommended to use lip balm to moisturize your lips. These are lawyers' goggles, so, or you call them glasses, whatever. So the reason you need them is to help you see into the future how your career as a lawyer is going to be. Oh my God. One thing we're taught in law school on YouTube is that putting on shoes as a professional lawyer is not really necessary. And I suppose you probably would have seen a lot of lawyers showing up in courtrooms, you know, for cases on barefoot, right? But the bottom line is you should dress properly and professionally. Do you know what I mean? Because there's a popular saying out there that you should dress up the way you want to be addressed. Now, going back to the reason I've been staring up the ceiling the entire time is actually because this is a technical approach to help improve your focus ability on the case. It helps to boost your winning probability by 70%. So now, this is me fully ready to go to court to go represent my client. I know I'm about 2 hours late, but no panic. I'm a very good friend with the Commissioner of Justice. So wish me luck. Bye.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.